so glad that you came to my channel today, because today is an exciting day. Listen, this is my first get ready with me video. I have somewhere to go, and believe it or not, I only have about 10 minutes to get ready. So I'm going to show you what I do when I'm pinched for time, and I'm just going to use some products, and hopefully it will be a nice look that will take me out to my meetings on today. And so sit back, relax, and join me for this exciting tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed, please stop right now and press the red subscribe button below and like the video, and be sure to comment on the video as well. I would love to hear from you. First, what we're going to do is we're going to use a little primer, and if you know me in this channel, I usually use MAC's Prep and Prime. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly place that on the eyelid. And my fingers are clean. I have washed my skin, and at one point in time I will do a skincare routine. But right now I'm rushing, so just want to show you what kind of look you can achieve even when you're in a pinch for time. And I am over 50, so I always take the time to moisturize my skin and prep my skin before I apply any type of makeup. So what I'm going to do next is, let's see, I'm going to get an eyeshadow. For this look, I'm going to use, I hope you can see this, ColourPop. It's a quick shade that goes on, and it's called Summerside. If I can find another picture, I will put it in the video as well. And so with ColourPop shadows, they are awesome because you can just put them on with your fingertips. I mean, they're just that easy to do. And see, very nice neutral color payoff, and that's what I need again when I'm prep for time. I don't worry if it goes on my bottom lid or on the side of my face, because I'm rushing and I have makeup cleansers, and so I'll just go ahead and use the makeup wipes. See? Wonderful. And it doesn't take any time, because this is going to be basically a one shadow look. Just that quick. So how you guys doing today? I am so happy that you guys have been enjoying my videos. I have enjoyed the comments that you left on the videos, and I'm going to put a couple links to some videos. The last video I did was wonderful. I had actually my daughter was my model, and my grandson Jaden did the intro, and so thank you for supporting that video. I really appreciate it. Okay, that's about it for that one. Doesn't it look wonderful? I'm going to put a little bit on this eye. Just needs a little bit more to balance. There we go, much better. Like I said, it's going to be a one shade look on today. I'll just do a little bit of highlighting if I need to. So I'm just going to blend out the edges with a blending brush. Nothing particular on the brush. Just want to blend out the edges. See? Just like that. Don't have time for perfection, because again, I am rushing. And so now what I'm going to do is, let's see, I'm going to take, what is this? This is my Highlight and Glow palette, oldie but goodie from Profusion. And I'm just going to take one of the shades and just do a light highlight. And I'm going to blend that out because, woo, that came out pretty colorful. And I usually don't like my highlights to be that colorful, so I'm going to definitely blend that and tone that down. Okay. I want some highlight, but I don't want it to be overboard up here. Not today. Not today. Go. And then I'll blend that out as well. So, the first day of spring, I think, was yesterday. And pretty much still a little chilly where I live at in the Northeast, and it's raining today. And so I wish I could just stay in all day and relax, but that's not going to happen for today. Let me get a makeup wipe real quick and clean my hands off. And you can use any makeup wipes. I found anti-aging collection. I think I found these at, where was I at? I might have been at TJ Maxx, and it says anti-aging collection hyaluronic acid wipes, keep skins hydrated. So I found this to be a really good makeup wipe for you guys. I also was looking at some products or new products from Wet n Wild, and I'll use one in this video. Here it is, the coconut primer water. I really like this product. On the go, excellent. It's excellent. Okay, so because I'm in a rush, as I said before, we're going to keep it moving. I'm going to use a little bit of primer, and today I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish primer, pore minimizing primer, and I have a sample size. Comes like this from Sephora, because I'm Sephora, I think Rouge VIB, which means I spend a lot of money each year in Sephora. I'm definitely not bragging, because I think you have to spend too much, probably $2,000 or something. But again, I'm a makeup connoisseur, and I also freelance, so I always like to keep products and, you know, my kit and all that up to speed. So certainly I don't use all of that makeup. But on this channel, as we go along, I will definitely be showing you more and more of my personal collection. So I put on the primer, and then I'm going to use this product, which is a BB cream, and it is from Kiss New York. And when I tell you, this product is off the chain, it's just off the chain. I mean, a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to go ahead and hold on. I think I'll just put it on my hand, and look, when I said a little bit, a little bit. I don't even know why they consider this to be a BB cream, because I mean, this is almost as strong as some, well, I ain't gonna say some, many of my regular foundations. I mean, and this BB cream is ultra affordable. I will put the price down in the description box, because this is something that I use when I am on the run and don't feel like all of using my expensive brands. I'm telling you, this primer gives a wonderful finish, and I don't like a whole bunch of foundation on my face anyway, because usually when I do my makeup, the star of the show for me is usually my eyeshadow. That's where I spend the most time. But see, that's all I needed. Wonderful. That's all I needed. And what I'm going to do now is take Mineral Skinfinish from MAC Cosmetics. It's in the shade Deep. And I'm going to put that on my face as a way of setting this BB cream really quickly. And so I'm not even worried about it. I just wanted to set it, do its job. Again, I'm in a rush, don't have time to just sit around and look for perfection. I want something that'll help me at my meetings to look professional and look nice and to keep it moving. That's enough. So I think next what we'll do is go back to the eyes a little bit. And for that, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner. I like to use Maybelline Ultra Liner. I've been using this liquid liner for years. And I'm not going to do a wing or anything. I'm just going to go ahead and put on a thin liner just to give my upper lid some definition. That's all I want. And it's a wonderful, wonderful liner. Like I said, I've been using it for years. I just love the way it goes on. I mean, it is just, I mean, I found it to be a nice product over the years. I mean, there's so many products on the market that I've learned that when I find something that works, especially if it's affordable, that's what I stick and stay with, you guys. I mean, you have liners on the market that can be almost $50 or so. And sometimes I do keep a lot of those products, like I said, in my kit. But it's not certainly something that I would wear, you know, every day. So off camera, I put on my eyelashes. And I would ask that you look at the link below because I have an eyeshadow tutorial on my playlist that I know you will find to be very helpful in putting on eyelashes if you just don't feel comfortable yet in doing it. Next, we're going to put on a little bit of blush. And I like to use Coastal Scents products, and this is a Forever blush in the color Graceful. And I find that it gives me just a little bit of color because, again, I am in a rush today and I don't have time to put on a lot of blush or blend it out. I just need something, just a little bit of color. And with blush, my friends, if you find out that you put too much on at any point in time, all you do is go back over it with the face powder that you used and you can blend it out that way. And so on this side, it looks like this a little bit more. So all I do is take my foundation or powder brush and just blend it out. And I think, there we go. Next, we're going to go into highlight. And I think I'm just going to have a light highlight today, not too much. Because again, going into a meeting and I want to look professional as possible. But also, I want to always be me. So again, not too much, because I don't have time to go over all of the points. That's enough for me on today. Next, let's see. I need a little bit of eyeliner. And I like to use Urban Decay's Perversion eyeliner. It's very black, and I always find it to be a wonderful product. Yes. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Y'all know how I do. I think that turned out very, very nice. And what I'm going to do is take a simple brush and I'm just going to, let's see, do a little bit of smudge. I'm not going to add a product or anything on the lower waterline because I simply don't have time for that one today. We're going to keep it simple. And see the difference between this eye and that eye? Just a little bit smoky over here. That's all. Not too much. I just want just a little something. I don't know if you guys can hear. It's raining cats and dogs where I am pretty bad. Let's see. Let's go to the lips. We're going to use Chestnut by MAC. And between eyeshadow and lipstick, I don't know what I'm more fond of. I just know that I love the way that you can reinvent yourself with some neutral looks, do some pop looks with makeup. I just think it's wonderful. Lips today, I think I want to just put on a little bit of concealer on my lips, because some lipsticks I find just need a little bit of base to them. And this particular lipstick that I'm going to be putting on today is one of my most expensive lipsticks in my collection. And I'll show you again as we go on. I'll have a whole bunch of exciting videos to come. This lipstick is by none other than YSL. I mean, just look at the packaging. Doesn't it say luxury? I mean, it's heavy. It's a heavy product, and it is absolutely beautiful. And look at the tube. I mean, I've used it, but it is a fantastic, fantastic product. And so I'm going to put this on. And boy, is it creamy. I think one of the downsides, however, about YSL lipsticks, and this is the hold on, Rouge Velope. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is shade number 1. The formula, it doesn't really last long, I found. So you can imagine paying $30 for a lipstick that you find yourself applying over and over and over throughout the day. Not something I really enjoy about the product, but I find that if I'm going to an event and I'm just going to be wearing it maybe for an hour or so, that it does the job. And today I'm not going to be able to add any lip gloss because, again, I need to get out the door. And so I'm going to go to Wet n Wild's Coconut Water Primer. I love it. And we're just going to prime our face to get us set for the day. And it is wonderful. Ooh, the scent. Oh my goodness. Woo! That scent is amazing, my loves. Whew. And it's such an affordable product. I will be doing a video on my primers, the different kinds, and give you an array of different choices from affordable to more expensive. But I must say, I just bought this a couple weeks ago because I think it just came out in their newest collection. I like it. I think that it is a nice product, and it comes in 2 other scents, I believe. There may be a rose, and it might be something like a lavender scent, not really sure. But I'll leave the price down in the description box of this video. And welcome back, my loves, to the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed my Get Ready With Me, a very neutral look, but you can wear it to work, you can wear it to date night, you can wear it anytime. You only have a couple minutes. I mean, you guys, it's a 1-color lid, and look, it just came out so wonderful, especially when you add just a little lash. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day, my friends. And please, please subscribe to the channel below. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button so that you can be alerted each and every time I post a video on the YT. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. Until the next time.